What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, I am so excited to be here with you all today, and it is because I get to work with pallets again. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I took a week off to, study my safety tools. I did safety videos for both drilling and for sawing, doing woodworking projects, and so I am here not only to use what I learned and taught, but also be able to do some things that is good for the inside of the home, and then I have a project for tomorrow that is beneficial for outside the home. Okay, I'm giving a little secret. It's gonna be for something over there. Okay, but anyway, this is for the inside project. As you all saw, it is all about a bookshelf, which is so necessary for my home because my kids have a lot of books and the books are just stacking up. Like even last night, Rain was cleaning up and she just stacked the books up in her form and way of cleaning up, and I was like, oh no, this has to change. So out of every problem, there's a solution, and I promise you, 7 times out of 10, it's gonna be a wood project, okay? It's gonna be something that we can do, something that you can do with your scrap wood, with your pallets, to create the solution that you need for the problem. So what I'll be doing is making this bookshelf, and it should be fairly simple, fairly easy to get this problem solved with this here pallet, okay? So I'm gonna show you what you need to do. First thing is to go ahead and pick out a pallet that is nice and light, which I have here, ladies and gentlemen. It is nice and, ooh, it felt heavier right then, but ultimately it is light, and it looks nice, okay? So of course, if necessary, we will paint it. Of course, I have to sand it just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and the kitty kiddos do not get any splinters and things like that. So that is something that has to be done, and I'm gonna leave, as you all know, I leave the painting, colors, and things like that to my lovely wife, Miss Crystal. So I will let her decide, 1, if we paint, 2, if we do, what color will it be, okay? Or you can let us know, drop some hints in the comment section below. What color do you think it should be, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut this bad boy, do what I need to do with it outside, then we're gonna take it inside. I'm gonna show you how to hang it up. I'm gonna show you, and you can be with me as I put the books in, and you can see the finished product, and hopefully I'll be able to get some reaction from Rain and Ricky once they get home on what they think and how they think the bookshelf looks, okay? And, if not, you'll probably see it in some other videos in the future, okay? So, without further ado, let me do what I need to do what you need to do, which is subscribe, smash that like button, click that bell notification when you know such videos as this are up and uploaded for your entertainment and viewing purposes, okay? Alright, so let me go ahead and cut. Let go! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, we have 2 raw bookshelves, okay? So, as you all saw, I cut the pallet from the bottom, and I just used the bottom piece and then the next piece on top of it, which will make my 2 individual bookshelves. Oh, wait, let me take off my goggles, because of course your boy is being safe, okay? You see, I'm already using my tips. I have my gloves, I have my safety goggles, and so forth and so on. So, now from here, we are going to attach the bottom piece of the bookshelf, because as you all know, when you take it from the bottom situation, you don't have a bottom, right? The bottom is irrelevant. So what you will do is use a piece from the pallet itself, which, as you can see, like I've already kind of broken this pallet down pretty much to scraps. And as you all know, you don't throw away your scrap wood because you can always use it for future projects. I have a whole pallet rack full of pallet wood from various projects that I did not use. But anyway, that's a video for that. We have the bookshelves that we are going to now assemble. So I will do, during this time lapse, assemble the bottom pieces to both of my book racks, and then the front piece, or excuse me, the back piece for one of them, which came off during demolition. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach those. From there, we're gonna sand. From there, we go inside. So make sure you stick with me to see it done, completed, and in the place it is going to be to rest and to hold books for the kiddos. All right, yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we are in the house after the construction, after the sanding. Now we are here, okay? So here you can see, like I said, I told y'all think I'll just be talking, but I'm not. My daughter actually did stack up her books. That was her way of cleaning up her books and things like that. As you can see, we tried to buy a book rack, but that really wasn't a thing. But more or less, like, this is going to be the wall. Now, as you can see, it's a little artistic, okay? We let them draw on the walls and things like that, but nonetheless we have a bookshelf that is about to go up that I guess we'll cover it in a way, if we don't, go back and paint it, which we have the option of doing so. So now we have the installation process, which I use my little buddy, boom shakalaka boom. It is the stud buddy. This is the way that I find the studs in the wall. You do like a little zigzag motion and then it sticks. When it has found a stud, I kind of know where I know that this is one, and I was hoping that it stuck, but if it didn't on the first one, it will on the second one, and I'm going to just show you all at the end of the day. So we're going to clear this all out so I can put the bookshelf here. I will install it, put the books back. We will be done. Okay, so let me do what I need to do. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Do what you need to do, and then we will be finished. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have our bookshelf. Look at here. I didn't realize how many books the kids actually have in this area. I don't even believe this is all of their books, but these are all of the books that was in this area that now have a home and a place to rest and to be. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I can catch their reactions because that would be pretty interesting. So you may be wondering, why is it staggered like this? Well, they have paintings and things on that side that I didn't want to disrupt the flow and harmony of it. And I think it just brings some character, right? So in the meantime, in between time, let us know if there are some color choices you think we should go with. As you all know, this area and this room and things like that, it's really colorful. I mean, we let the kids like do what they want to do, draw on the wall. It's their space. However, we can bring some type of color, some type of vibe, some type of look to the space. So let us know in the comment section below what and how do you think we can make it all happen. But until then, I now have organization, and that makes me very happy. Look, it is clear, it is clean. The toys are not everywhere. They're in their boxes, or the books are in their shelves. And just like that, you can do it too. So I love you, ladies and gentlemen, and I thank you all for watching this video. And I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll see you next time, and I'll see you on the other videos. Okay? All right, video people, love yourself. It allows you to love others better, and then when we all find someone to love, it makes this world a better place. Until next time, peace out.